Hello my friends, what is moving and shaking? This is Gediminas here. Welcome all to the training video. I hope you will enjoy this. Just a quick reminder, if you're not subscribed yet, go to my fan page at www.facebook.com/Gediminas Grinevicius page. All you need to do to subscribe is just like my page, and then you will see the posts that will be coming in the future. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please email me at Gediminas_Grinevicius@yahoo.com. Now, this first training video what I'm going to talk about is email system. Now, you're either in network marketing or you've got another business where you probably have a growing list of either customers or team members or maybe both. So what you will need eventually is an email system. Now, if you're using a traditional email provider like Yahoo or Gmail or Hotmail or whatever it is, it can become challenging when you need to email large groups of people and when you want your emails to look professional. So that's why I'm going to be showing you a system that is absolutely free of charge that you can start using that will actually make your life a lot easier. Now, the system is called Mailchimp, and there's two ways you can go on it. One way is just put mailchimp.com into your browser and it'll take you to the home page. Another way, if you want me to get rewarded for recommending you Mailchimp, you can go to https://eepurl.com/mp1. So if you go to that, then they will know that it was me who recommended Mailchimp to you. But either way, you can just go to mailchimp.com if you like. So once you've done that, once you go on mailchimp.com, you'll see this home page. So here, all you need to do to open your free account is click sign up free, and that will take you through the next page. Now, on the next page, you'll see get started with a free account, sign up in 30 seconds form. All you need to do here is put your email address, create a username. So for example, here I've done Gediminas Mail, and then create a password. Once you've done that, click on create my account. It'll take you to the next page and they'll say success, your account being created. All you need to do now is activate your account. So what you need to do then is go to your email, and you'll have an email from Mailchimp that will be titled Mailchimp login information and confirmation. All you need to do is click activate your account. Once you've done that, once you clicked on that, it'll take you to this page. We'll say confirm your humanity. Mailchimp has a quite good sense of humor, so all you need to do here is just type in your the words that they show on the capture, and it'll take you through the next stage. So basically the login page. Here you'll put your username and your password, and you'll hit login. Once you've done that, this page will open where it will ask you to set up some security information. So it'll ask you some security questions which you can choose from any there and pick your answer, so they'll make sure that nobody else can access your account. Then you'll put your email address again, it'll be there automatically. Then you'll put your address here, so street, house, etc. Then you'll ask for your organization, so either your network marketing company or whatever it is, and then put your URL of your website if you have one, and then just hit save and get started. Once you've done that, it'll take you to this page where you will say here's how Mailchimp works. So basically forms and lists, so people subscribe and unsubscribe to lists through forms. So the people who said they want to hear from you are your list. And basically all successful business people, all successful marketers build lists. List is worth its weight in gold out there. So the sooner you start building your list online, the better you will be. So you're building your audience, you're building your list, and whatever it is, whether your customer list, whether your team members list, whether people who subscribe to your fan page list. So whatever it is, it's really useful. And obviously the second thing that we use in Mailchimp is templates and campaigns. So we send campaigns using reusable email designs called templates. emails sent to your list are called campaigns. So you will create a campaign, and then you'll be able to send that campaign to a large list of people instead of sending separate emails to each people. So then you'll hit let's go, and it'll take you to the dashboard. So this is what you're going to see every time you log on, your dashboard. And these 3 things I'm going to talk to you today about. Firstly, creating a list, so creating your initial list, then designing a form via which people will be subscribing, and finally sending a campaign, so sending an email campaign out to your people. Okay, so once you hit on create a list, what will happen, you'll start building a list. So you need to just set it up. So what you do, you name your list. So let's say I'll call this test list, and then default form name, I'll put in something like test form. You can do whatever you really like. Default reply to email, so I'll just put my own email here, and then default subject. So let's say I'm building an information campaign, so I'll put Gediminas newsletter. Okay, and then remind people how they got on your list. So you have opted in on my fan page, and this is why you are receiving blah 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 my emails, etc. So if you're building a list, for example, for your network marketing group, etc., so you might say you're receiving these emails because you registered as an independent distributor for so and so company. Or if you're building a list for your customers, you'll say you're receiving these emails because you have purchased the product from so and so or from so and so company, etc. You'll have your address here, and notifications. Again, you can click here, detailed summary of subscribes and unsubscribes, or you can have one by one. Every time somebody subscribes or unsubscribes, you receive an email telling you that. And email format, I would suggest you click on this. People can pick email format, i.e. HTML, plain text, or mobile. If you tick this, then people will be able to choose whichever format, so they will be able to open your email on any device. Then you click on save. It opens a new page, and you can see your list now. So test list is created. It says 0 here, so there's no subscribers yet on that list, but you can start making. So it says your list was created. Your list will by default store email, first name and last name, where you can add more fields if you like. And you have then few options: import contacts, create a sign up form, and email beamer address. So what we want first of all is obviously to start adding people to this form. So there's few ways of doing that. Firstly, if you have already a large organization or you have already a large customer list somewhere else, what you can do, you can just basically import. So if you click on import, it'll show you the ways you can import the contacts, some of which are here from different providers, and also you can upload a text file or CSV, or you can upload an Excel file. So I usually use text files. So for example, if I'm importing contacts from another place, I will use an email extractor, and I'll show you in another video how to use that and how to get your emails extracted so you don't have to type them one by one. So that's that video is coming up. And basically then you upload this file, and or Mailchimp will automatically take the emails off that file and put it on your list. However, you can also add people one by one. So you can click add subscriber. So for example, if you're adding people on a daily basis, you met a new customer, you sold some product, and you want to add him or her to your list, you can just do it manually. You put email, first name, last name, choose the email type. I always choose HTML, and this recipient gave me permission to add him, her to my Mailchimp list, Mailchimp manager list. So make sure you ask the person before you do that, would it be okay if I sent you some emails in the future, etc., and you subscribe them to your list. So this is a quite handy way as well, so you can add people one by one. However, if you have hundreds of people on your email, I would suggest importing them via file, and I'll show you in another video how to do that.